In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove backgrounds in Canva. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump straight into this guide. For this tutorial, I already have my Canva ready here, and I'll just search up a picture we can use. Suppose you want to remove the background of a person, so let's search for a person. Alright, let's try using this one of The Rock. Just to save the picture, just right click and then click on copy. Or you can just right click once again, save image as, click on save, and then as you can see, it pops up on the top right corner with the download icon. Go back to your Canva, click on that download icon, and then click on the image, and then just drag it and drop it right there. And now to actually remove the background, just click on the picture, click on edit photo on the top left, click on this BG remover. And let's wait for it to finish up around 5 seconds, and there you go. As you can see, the background is completely white. That means it's removed. Now, if you do have some extra stuff that you want to remove, you can just click on this setting icon on the BG remover, and then you can see erase and restore. So if you want to erase certain stuff in the background, let's say that one, as you can see, it erases it. And if you want to restore it, just click back. All right. So let's reset background and then apply the background remover once more. Alright. Now, if you do not have Canva Pro or Canva Education, there is another way to do this. Simply go on Google and search for Photor free background remover. Click on this and then go back to your downloads and then drag and drop here. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, again, the background is completely transparent now. So just click on download and then click on preview image. But if you do want the HD image, you'll have to sign up for a free trial or buy their subscription. But they do offer this preview image for free. So just click on download and we can just remove this image, go back to our downloads, and then drag and drop to Canva once more. And as you can see, it has also completely removed the background. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.